Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, we are going to be talking about so exciting new launch from CLARINS, their new extra firming moisturizers. So if you have been using CLARINS for a while, you probably already know that they do have extra firming line that is specifically designed for women in their 40s and over, or slowly approaching to their 40s. But in this video, we are going to be talking about the new formulation of these moisturizers because they have changed the plants and also the formula of the products. I have to mention, by the way, I am still in my 20s, so this line is not my purchase. I specifically got these two moisturizers in this video for you guys to, give you as much information as possible if you are in that kind of age group. CLARINS ethnobotanists, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, they went to Australia to study kangaroo flower extract, which is so interesting. When I heard that flower extract, especially the name, I laughed. I have to be honest. I was like, what? Because this is so interesting. Have you heard about kangaroo flower extract? I personally never heard about it. So they went to Australia to study about the kangaroo flower extract, which is the plant which is known for its lifting and firming properties. The stems of the plants literally look like the paws of kangaroo, which is so interesting. So these moisturizers are inspired by kangaroo flower extract, and also the main flower extract infused in these moisturizers. So there is 8 different types of plant extracts infused in these moisturizers. Both night and daytime have almost the same plant extracts except the night, which I'm going to be talking about a little bit more later in this video. And there are 5 organic plant extracts are infused in these products. So the plants that are included in the day and night moisturizers are the kangaroo flower extract, of course, the main flower extracts, and then organic Mitrocarpus extract, organic leaf of life extract, organic shea butter, organic desert date extract, organic oat sugars, acelora seed extract. So the only difference is that the nighttime contains the silica of moonstone extract as well. And another difference is that the nighttime moisturizers contain a shea oil instead of the shea butter. So that's part of the reason that the nighttime moisturizers are a little bit thicker and richer compared to the daytime. There is 5 different textures of these moisturizers. There is all skin types, and there is a SPF version of the daytime, and there is a dry skin type moisturizer for the daytime. And for the nighttime, there is all skin types, and there is a dry skin type moisturizer as well. So there is 5 textures, and I got to try all of those textures in the training, and all of them are completely different. And also for the fragrance, by the way, they have used a rose extract and also camellia as well for the fragrance. All of the moisturizers from Extra Firming line have the same fragrance. So whenever you smell it, you literally smell the roses, the combination of camellia flower as well. Daytime moisturizers cost $87 and the nighttime is $97. And the full-size moisturizers come in 50 milligrams, and it will last you for 18 months. So when you open the product, so always be mindful about the expiration date. So the kangaroo flower extract is going to help with firming and also lifting your skin. That's the main function of the kangaroo flower extract in these moisturizers. Organic Mitrocarpus extract is gonna help with the elasticity and also the wrinkles. For even complexion and radiance, they have used the desert date extract combining with the acelora seed extract as well. So something that I have to mention about the one plant extracts in the nighttime moisturizer, which is actually the silica of moonstone. It optimizes your nighttime regeneration process. So that's the part of the reason that they have infused the silica of moonstone. Just like I mentioned, I am not the person who's gonna purchase these moisturizers because I'm still in my 20s and I don't have any concerns about wrinkles or dark spots. But when I tried these moisturizers for the first time, the daytime, I love the texture. It feels super comfortable on the skin, but at the same time, you know, you just feel that luxurious feeling of the moisturizer as well on your skin. My favorite one so far is the old skin types texture. So far I like this one the best compared to the dry one, because the dry one is very rich. So if you do have a super dry skin, and if, you know, sometimes you get flakes on your skin as well because of the dryness, and you don't have enough hydration or, you know, enough moisture to your skin, I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and try the dry version of it. So in the nighttime, when it comes to the nighttime is very rich. It's very thick as well compared to the daytime. You will see the difference. Even just by looking at the bottle, like, you can see the texture is completely different. Even the color of the moisturizers are a little bit different as well. And the nighttime is very, very heavy. So you don't need too much of it. A little bit goes a long way. So if you are in your 40s and over, or slowly approaching to your 40s, I would highly recommend for you guys to try these extra firming moisturizers from CLARINS. I personally think these are wonderful moisturizers for women in that age group. So that's all I have in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and also got a lot more knowledge about these products as well, just in case in the future if you are thinking or planning to buy these moisturizers. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. You guys have an amazing, wonderful, fantastic day. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye guys.